Hi there, my awesome friends. I was about to go to bed. You like my bungalow? It's nice, right? But can you hear that noise? Yeti! You scared me. Next time, please give me a heads up. He's saying something. I've come to give you another chance. Ready to tackle the challenge? This time, you'll have to pick the correct word based on the tense I indicate, either present or past. Ready? What do you think? Of course I'm ready! Super ready! Okay, here it comes the first sentence. Yesterday, I blank. Very excited because I made a snowman. Okay, yesterday, I'm a bit puzzled, but I need to figure it out. I think that yesterday might be the reference, right? Yes. It's a key word. It's pointing the past. So that sentence is written in a past simple form. Today, I am excited. Yesterday, I was excited. Am I right? Yay! I'm right. Great! We got a tiny crystal. Good. Okay, now we have the second challenge. We blank in the snow and blank some angels on weekends. But there are no keywords here. Yeti, can you help me? How should I grade? How should I know what's going in there? All right. Okay, he's telling us we have to write this sentence in a past form. Past simple. And what verbs can we use? Okay, we have play and played, make and made. So we have to choose the past forms. We played, right? Remember? It's a regular verb. So we add the suffix ed, those tiny letters. And made, yeah. We are correct! Great! Okay, I'm about to get my wish. All right, we've got another one. Come on, give it to us. Today, I blank sledding on the snowy hill with my family. Today, yes, it's pointing a present situation. So I'm clear, it's happening now, not a past situation. But what is the verb? Okay, so we have two options. Go or went. If it's happening now, go, right? Yes! Okay, another song. We did it. Can we have our wishes? Yeah, we can have them. What would you wish?
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
All right, guys, let's keep learning with the past simple form. We have this exercise number 14, and it says, what's the correct tense? Okay, so we have options and we need to choose the right one. Remember, in present or about present habits and facts, we use the present simple form. Tense, such as today I go to school. But if I'm talking about a past simple, a past habit or past fact, I would use the past simple tense. And for that, in some verbs such as the irregular ones, the verb changes, such as this one. Today I go, yesterday I went. But remember that for regular verbs, we just need to add ed or d at the end of the infinitive. So let's choose the right verb tense for each sentence and rewrite the sentences below. Yesterday, Yesterday is an idea, is a reference, is a clue. It's telling us something. Yesterday is past. So yesterday I was, okay? That is the option. I was very excited because I made a snowman. If it happened yesterday, for sure is the past. So let's write down yesterday. Yesterday I was very excited because I made a snowman. Oops. Okay? Yes? Is it clear? Let's go for the second sentence and see if there's any reference helping us. We played or we play in the snow and made or make snow angels on weekends. Okay, so here we don't have any words such as yesterday or today or last. So I think let's just try how do the sentence sound. How does the sentence sound, in a past simple tense or in a present simple tense? Let's speak. We played in the snow and made snow angels on weekends. Sounds good. We play in the snow and make snow angels on weekends. Also sounds good. So, what's happening here? Alarm, because these in here both are okay. Okay. Both are okay. We can use this same structure to talk about a past habit or a present habit. So let's just say that as here we use the past simple, here I'm going to use the present simple. We play in the snow and make snow angels on weekends. Great. Okay, so that means that maybe this year I go regularly with my friends or with my family to play in the snow and we make snow angels on weekends. Okay, great. Let's go for the third sentence and see if there's any reference helping us. I already see it. Today, that means present. Today I go sledding on the snowy hill with my family. Okay, today I go sledding, okay, on the snowy hill with my family. Great. And finally, let's go for the last one. Last winter we learned to ice skate. Last winter, and here we have last, which is also a clue that is telling us that this sentence, this situation is happening in the past. So last winter, last year, we learned past simple ed to ice skate. So let's rewrite it. Last winter, we learned to ice skate. Great! And there you go, you did it, guys. Very good. Let's keep learning.